Hi everyone, this is about completing the square. So to do completing the square, alright, generally if we look at this question, okay, this one is just a simple question. So what you need to do is first to make some space in between. In between which one you say? In between the 2x and the 26. Okay, why we want to make this space? Okay, because we want to add something into the mix. Okay, what we can add is half of the b. Alright, so normally we will say ax squared plus bx plus c, right? So what is the b here? In this case, the one that's attached to the x. So in this case is 2. So 2 divided by 2, and then we add a square here. Okay, why do we do this? I'll explain in a while. But we cannot make this appear out of nowhere. We cannot do magic tricks like that. So to balance it out, we need to minus 2 over 2 square. Okay, so if you look at this one on its own, right, let me add a plus here. Okay, I did not give enough space. Okay, so uh, so if you add these two together, it will be 0. Okay, so since this one is 0, all right, so I can actually just make it appear out of nowhere. Okay, now why do I do that is because when I take a look at this one, okay, these three values here, I can actually factorize them. Okay, what do I mean by factorizing them? I'm just going to take x here, and then what's inside? So 2 over 2 is 1, so I'm going to just go plus 1 and then square. So if you expand this, you will be able to find that you will be able to get back this same thing, whereas what is outside remains there. Okay, so my 2 over 2 is 1, 1 square is still 1, minus 1 plus 26. So in the end, our completing the square will end up to be plus 25. Okay, now this will work if the x remains as 1, as in like what the a is 1. Okay, it must be on its own. What if it's this case? Okay, I'm just going to rewrite this here. 3x squared minus 27x plus 42. Okay, so what happens in this case? Alright, you will need to factorize the 3 out first. So in this case, x squared minus 9x plus 14. Okay, only when you factorize it out can you do the completing the square in the middle. So again, I'm just going to write out the 3 again. X squared minus 9x, leave some space. You know what, that's just going to get right into it. 9 over 2 square minus 9 over 2 square plus 14. Okay, and then again this one we can factorize further. Excuse me. 9 over 2 is 4.5, so we're just going to write here 4.5 square. So minus 4.5 square, what do you get? Give me a second, yeah. Let me just quickly use my calculator. 20.25 minus 20.25 plus 14. Okay, and then we continue on another line. X plus 4.5 square, in this case will be 6.25, right? Minus 4, yeah, 6.25. Okay, generally you do not leave it as this. We want to reduce as many brackets as possible, so we're just going to multiply the 3 back in, not into everything. Okay, this one remains the same. Okay, but oh sorry, it should be minus 6.25 times 3, we will get 18.75. 18.75. Okay, so completing the square can be useful in a variety of scenarios. We can use it to solve equations as well, quadratic equations. All we need to do is equals to 0, and then we can bring this over. So we have 3x plus 4.5 square equals to 18.75. Then x plus 4.5 square equals to again 6.25. X plus 4.5 equals to square root of plus minus 6.25. So the plus minus there is important. And then finally equals to negative 4.5 plus minus 6.25. So you end up with two answers. Generally you have two answers here. Alright, thank you.